Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to offer free trials on OnlyFans. So I just tap on my browser and log into my account, and right over here you will see this user with content. So how to use OnlyFans for free without paying. Accessing OnlyFans content for free without the creator's permission is against the platform term of service and illegal. Only is a subscription based service and creators rely on subscriptions for their income. So is there a legit way to get OnlyFans for free? If you are interested in a particular creator and have an OnlyFans account, you can active the trial if it is available. If the trial is not available, you cannot contact the creator through social media platform like Instagram or Twitter and ask if they would willing to offer free trial. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.